Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Microsoft Edge browser security. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to secure your Edge browser against phishing website or malware or any attacker or any links that might cause you into data breach when you are using Edge browser to solve internet. Consider to watch this from beginning to the end because this is promised to be a step-by-step security settings that you need to turn on right here on your Edge browser in order to protect yourself against phishing website or malware website or any virus or dangerous website attack. So let's find out. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Edge browser safely. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to open up your Edge browser. Then after you open up your Edge browser, next thing you want to do is to simply come to the top right here, click on these three dots right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply come down below right here, click on settings. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to privacy, search and services. Click on that and it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on security right here. Then it's going to take you right here. Under the security, you have Microsoft Defender SmartScreen. If this Defender here is turned off, what you need to do is to make sure you turn it on right here. Once you turn it on, come down below right here and make sure block potential unwanted app. Block download of low reputation apps that might cause unexpected behavior. Make sure you turn on this particular toggle again. It's that simple. So with that, you are fully protected from against any phishing website or malware or any dangerous website that you might mistakenly visit when you are using your Edge browser. So this is one of the best security settings so far that you can give your Edge browser in order to browse safely on internet when you are using your Edge browser. I hope you really got value for this video. For more tutorial tips and tricks about how best to use your Edge browser, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.